All right, we're going to give the demonstration I gave this afternoon for sharpening a knife. We have our whetstone. Can I lift it up? You can see it?
Mhm.
Okay, so we have our fine side and our coarse side. So when we ask you that question, you should be able to identify either one. The fine is lighter, the coarse is darker. All right, so I'm going to start on the fine side because the knives aren't too bad right now. Some of them, I have one that was kind of pre-sharpened. But you got to make sure you also have water on your stone since it is a whetstone. It should bead a little bit. If it all soaks in, then you need to you need to apply more water to it. You're going to do a 15 to 20 degree angle, and it's kind of hard to say depending on the edge of your blade here. So you're going to see the edge on each side. I'm going to go ahead and I'll say, for argument's sake, we'll go in between and say this is going to be an 18-degree angle. I'm going to drag it from the heel of the knife to the tip of the knife. So if you're right-handed, it's going to feel real easy going from right to left, from heel to the tip. You're going to switch to your left hand and then go from the heel to the tip again. All right. Switch hands. Right, heel to tip. Switch hands, left, heel to tip. If you notice too, I'm using the stone in its entirety. If you go straight through the middle, you're going to go ahead and make it concaved in, and you're going to grind away the middle of the stone. So make sure you're using the stone in its entirety. So from the heel to the tip, the heel to the tip. I'm applying pressure on the entire knife blade, heel to tip, heel to tip, heel to tip, heel to tip. The water's starting to get absorbed. I'm going to put a little more on. That way you can create that abrasion. Heel to tip, heel to tip.